She's a professional, everyone.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of our Brewery Farm Life. So I might be a little bit late opening the store, as per usual. Story of my life. But I'm back. So what I thought we would do is kind of do a recap of what happened in February. And then in the next episode I'll recap what happened in March. And then we're all caught up. It's time for the Christmas decorations to come down. See you next year. Maybe we'll pick a different day next year. I'm a gazelle! Good morning, everyone. I am on my way to pick up 2 chickens. I might have told David 1. It'll likely be 2. I went back in the early part of winter, early December. I went outside and there was a chicken massacre, unfortunately, all over my lawn. And the only one that's left is Rupert the rooster. And unfortunately, Rupert's acting a little squirrely right now, and I'm pretty sure it's because he's got no ladies to pay attention to. So I wasn't going to get any more chickens until the spring, but to avoid having a nasty rooster, I'm going to get a couple to hopefully keep him, and hopefully that will kind of change his attitude. Maybe he's just a weird rooster, I don't know, but hopefully this will help him to feel better about himself. So I'm on my way now, and see what she has for me. So a massive fail on my part. I was going to record when I went in, but it was kind of one of those rushed situations where I knew I needed to get back to the farm, and I was dawdling. So anyway, I'd like you to meet Thelma and Louise. Thelma and Louise Leghorn. So I'm going to take them out to the barn, and I'm going to introduce them to a new cage, which I'm sure they're going to love. And then hopefully Rupert finds them, and in a couple of days I'll let them out and they can become free range just like everyone else.
Is that just straw or is that a ram? Incognito. Hi. Oh man.
Come on in.
Welcome to your new home.
She's got trust issues, man. Well, this was definitely an anticlimax. Whoa, Linda. Okay, Linda. I'm gonna pee on this brand new bed.
Wow!
too. You got front row seats to the show. He's like, it's called Very nice. Yeah. Roscoe, you missed your cue. You were supposed to run. Oh, it's because you want my jacket.
Roscoe, come on.
It's like, yeah, just would rather eat Jen's jacket. Would you stop? You goofball. Hey, let's see those teeth. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, yeah, look at them. Okay, all right. Yeah, okay. Ow! Bite my hip. Thanks.
So it's canning day. It's supposed to be really crappy later on today. We're supposed to get some freezing rain, quite a bit of snow, and it's kind of crazy going from having no snow and it being 10 degrees to having a bunch of snow and freezing rain. So we'll see what happens. But today is canning day, so we're in the brewery canning. What are you doing?
We're about to can. We just need a scale, which is measurements.
Right, because it's upstairs, I think. Are on our way to pick up a lawnmower implement for the hop yard, and it's actually all the way up to about an hour away from the Quebec border. So we're kind of taking our time meandering up. We're going to spend the night and then we're going to pick it up in the morning. But on our way we found Kinsip Spirits, which is a distillery in Prince Edward County. So we're going to come in and have a few drinks and enjoy. Kind of reminds me of home.
I saw you walking.
We wondered, we were rushing.
So I'm here with Scott, and we just did our sampling, which is amazing, and he's going to tell you a little bit about the distillery.
Hi, so I'm Scott from Kinsip.
We are a grain-to-glass distillery in Prince Edward County, right near Bloomfield. We grow our own rye wheat, barley, and corn here on site, and we try and source as many things as we can from the local community and local farms. We produce vodkas, gins, rye, rum, whiskey, brandy, and some liqueurs as well. And it's all delicious.
Thanks, Scott.
Wait for the artichoke dip. Forced to drink beer and eat pizza again.
It's horrible.
Hello, Nikki.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We are preg checking sheep. So this is last year's. This one of these sheep are last year's babies. They were bred to Noah and Barley, and she's
The little
pregnant.
spine. Yeah, I think there's 2 in there. Yeah. Yay!
Up your pee. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Do you want a dot? Or an X? Or what would you like?
Just a dot.
Yay!
You done, you free.
Oh my god, that was traumatizing.